Hello and welcome to the channel. Just pulled into Tesco's to get some food because I'm taking a boy tonight to where we going?
Pontsticill reservoir.
Pontsticill reservoir. We're going to go to Pontsticill reservoir, cook some food, get the drone up, have a barbecue perhaps, and yeah, just spend the night with my boy in the van, innit?
Yeah.
So come along if you want to look.
Sorry. You said something about chicken? Do you need milk?
Yeah, a pint of milk.
Oh, that's the one, is it?
Yeah. Right, so shopping done, got fuel, so we're just off to Pontsticill. Catch you in a bit. Right, so we made it to Pontsticill reservoir by the tower. We're not actually parked up here, we just on the side of the road. I'm going to drive up now and we're going to park up in one of the laybys and set the van up ready for the night, is it? Yeah. Yep. Right. We got a place to park up for the night and we're all on our own. Guess what? It says, welcome to Pontsticill Reservoir, originally called the Taff Vechin Reservoir, which was opened in 1927. Same year Cardiff won the championship. Today the reservoir is managed by the Welsh Water. We clean the raw water to provide wholesome drinking water to people across the South Wales valleys. The reservoir is over 2.5 kilometres long and 29 metres at the deepest point. Its 33.5 metre high dam holds back more than 15,000 megalitres of water. That's over 6,000 Olympic swimming pools. The Bellmouth splitway in the photo is one of a kind in South Wales. I don't know if you can see that, but I've got footage of it anyway. It's nice. There is no camping sign, but there's no overnight parking sign, which I'm going to play dull and pretend I didn't know what that means. What are we doing?
We're vamping.
We're vamping.
Yeah.
So we're not camping, we're vamping. Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you the reservoir now. There's even a swing for you.
Well, not even when, like, if I follow you. It hurts, doesn't it?
Come together. And that's my pathetic attempt at football. Whew.
Right.
Perfect for my 10-year-old boy. He's loving life. There's a swing just over there. There's another swing just over there. He's happy skimming stones. He's happy to be away from the night because he doesn't have much luck in the house with going out. gets bullied a lot, so we don't like him to go out much. And we try to stop it, there's nothing we can do, as the parents just don't care. But when we're away in the van, he loves life and dog. You ready for food, bud?
Yeah.
Right, and I go get some grub. We have Cajun chicken steaks, some peppers, some onions, some pasta, some mayonnaise in, mix it all up. But yeah, I'll set you up over here and then we'll see ourselves cooking. Time for the beer.
I think I can kind of tell where this little bubble mix is made for the disconnect. Bang är det.
Pasta from inside the van, cooked in the van even.
Yeah.
Right, thank you for sticking with us today. We're gonna have a quick fire, have some munch, maybe watch a film and then
Den Netflix one's going on.
I don't think I'll stick it along. And then yeah, have a fire, watch a film, go to bed,
Have a walk
catch
around
you in the
Pontsticill.
morning. We have a walk around in the morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we were going to say, was it?
Va?
That's what we were going to say, yeah.
Yeah.
Better be enough, but no.
Yeah. Vänta.
Good morning from a rainy Pontsticill. We've woken up and it's raining. Wet boy, innit? So I'm gonna go for a walk around me. So yeah, I make a cuppa and then we're gonna go for a walk. If the rain holds off for a little bit. Sweet. Do you want a cuppa, boy? Okay.
Into them, they just charge themselves.
Yeah, I got one of them, the white one there. Well, I finally give in. What is kettle? Is it use? Use and use.
Are you going to do though?
Yeah, I'll fix it. Breakfast of champions with a 10-year-old. I got my coffee. And I got my apple pie. It's a good breakfast. It's a good breakfast. Yeah. So I'm probably going to eat for breakfast, go for a walk. Well, I'm going to drive up the reservoir a bit first and then go for a walk. There's a bird hide thing, apparently. So we're going to try and find that, check that out. And then Get out here. Well, we're not going for a walk. We're going to view anything now. The rain stopped today. It's hammering down. Well, it's slowing down a bit now, but it was hammering down. So we're going home, boy, are we?
Yeah.
And hopefully stop raining and I'll come again soon. Thank you for staying with us. I've been Lewis. Thank you for watching. And you've been who?
Dion.
Dion what?
Turner.
Yeah, bye.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.